How's the Josh? Hi! It's 4:45 and I was supposed to wake up at 2:15. Pep talk has clearly not worked for Isri. Do you think, as a viewer, I can achieve the entire antimicrobials today?
तो 60 रुपीज़ मोटिवेशन वो क्या हो गया, सिनर्जिस्टिक इफेक्ट हो गया, तो 60 रुपीज़ से 120 रुपीज़ का इफेक्ट हो गया.
Getting the point, we have a lot to do in very short periods of time. So attendance, baad mein jao. Yeah, there are high chances that my phone is going to fall outside, but then anything for the video, you know. Namaste. I'm all ready. I got a hairstyle. I've put on eyeliner, and it's 7 in the morning, and I sound like I've just woken up because today I did not wake up at 4 a.m. Q. See, yesterday I thought the full night I'll sit and do pharmac, I'll make charts, and then I'll become a pro in antimicrobials. So like 11 baje मैंने क्या किया? I drank a full mug of coffee, then I ate some stuff and I sat down. Half an hour went in well. I was able to write down the anti-HIV drugs and all of that. Then I don't know when my eyes shut down, you know. And so I was like, okay, I'm feeling sleepy. We'll just take a 10-minute nap. I slept for 10 minutes. After I woke up, after half an hour, I was doing this. So the coffee didn't work. So then I was like, theek hai, chalo, it's okay. Tomorrow the full day we'll do what I was supposed to do last night. Lesson learned. Isri, don't stay up late. Jagna nahi hai aapko. Nahi hota hai. It just doesn't work. But no, that's enough because today is a new day. So we're here today. The makeup and everything is just to keep me motivated. What is the plan for today, you ask? Should I just change the camera position? We're stuck with this camera position now. See, okay, I don't have time to edit videos, so at least I can grab your attention by changing the camera angles. That's my plan. Okay, so the plan for today, let's not get distracted, is medical pharmacology. I need to finish antimicrobials. Now don't get me wrong, it's not like I'm studying it for the first time. I was in the library. I went to the library this entire week. Or for 3 hours, I used to underline everything. I would read it. And for some reason, I feel like I can do antimicrobials. I don't know whether it's because I'm okay micro or whether it's just because I've just gone into this zone of acceptance where I'm like, sab kuch mushkil hai, so let's just make it pseudo easy for me. But I didn't make any notes and I was just reading it. And I don't remember even a single drug name apart from amphotericin B, penicillin B, and I remember a little bit of cephalosporin, sulfonamides. Yeah, I do, kind of. But that is not how it works. And I also don't know, like, kaise poochte exam mein, like, what do they exactly ask? So today is that day where we consolidate all of that. So my plan, I prepared half a chart yesterday, is in one chart write down all the drug names and slowly like show the mechanism of action and the adverse effects. And in the following chart, write down the therapy mode, combination therapies which we use. So it's going to be a long day, but because I've already done one and all I don't remember is the names of the drugs, the dosage and the combinations, which is a lot, I have hopes that I can do it. So we need to finish sulfonamides, beta-lactam, tetracycline, aminoglycoside, macrolide, anti-TB, antifungal, antiviral, anti-malarial, anti-amoebic, anti-helminthic. Bhai, पूरा antimicrobial करना आज. Is it really necessary to make charts when there's just like minimum countdown days for exams? हाँ ज़रूरी है भाई, आपको नहीं पता है. Antimicrobials है, फिर मैं कैसे पढ़ूँ? ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा है just seeing KDT and being like कॉटरी मसल. भाई, I'm already out of my mind. Do you think as a viewer I can achieve the entire antimicrobials today? If you think I can, then thank you. If you think I can't, then probably you're realistic, but then we don't work with realistic people in this time, at this situation and level. So let's just study now. To finish antiretrovirus by 9 a.m. and it's now 7:45. So let's do this. 1 hour 15 minutes. तो हो जाएगा. विश्वास होना चाहिए, खुद के ऊपर भरोसा होना चाहिए. Let's study. Too much of talking. Bye. I will not talk till I finish this. That's a big thing for me, I see, okay? Okay, so it's 9:30 and I'm in a very weird position because I just wanted to stretch, but there's no place to keep the camera. Like, I'm so tall, ki like there's no stand kind of thing for my phone because I'm so tall, you know. But I am happy because I finished the ART, which is the antiretroviral therapy. Okay, I can't talk like this. Wait, let me place you in a good area. Okay, sorry. I'm just trying to keep my, oh my god, how do you place the camera? I'm just trying to keep my motivation levels high, and they have peaked at the moment because we have with us आमरस। फ़ायदा ये है कि क्योंकि मोनिका मेरी रूममेट है, जब भी उनका घर पे खाना मिलता है ना, even I get it, you know. So yes, we're happy about that. We have done ART therapy and I am kind of okay with it. No, I mean, see, अभी भी मुझे दिक्कत हो रहा है याद करना, but then I know like some of the drugs and I think it's okay, it's good. We're doing good. How many times are you gonna say that? Okay, whatever. We have moved on to anti-malarial drugs. So again, we're following the same principle. We first write the drugs, the classifications, and then write some of the adverse effects and what it is, how it works, mechanism of action. Then we move on to the regimes. Are you understanding? I mean, what will you do by understanding? Nothing. No, but now we'll drink Amrus and do more of ACT. What is the time? It's like, oh bhai, it is 10:25. By 11 we need to finish malaria. Yeah, so let's do this. How's the Josh? Hi! Because of Amrus and because we're studying. Everyone is studying, right? Like, everyone. Yeah. Okay, whatever. I was just gonna go into a deep talk, but no, we need to study. Guess what? It is 11 a.m. and we have finished making the chart of anti-malarial drugs and the ACT therapy. We have to plan further. See, I could do anti-TB, that regimen and all, but I know it'll take a long time. So then once I finish that, it'll already be evening and then I'll feel like, oh, there's so less time and I still have a lot to do. So we're going to be using some tactics. और हाँ, मैंने लोकेशन चेंज किया to this because एक तो I feel like you're bored of seeing my desk and दूसरा ये कि बहुत गर्मी है इधर, तो मुझे लगा कि नीचे बैठ के थोड़ा फ़ायदा हो जाएगा mental peace के लिए. Okay, we're gonna study now. Do you want to watch me studying? That sounds creepy, but no, you might get motivated to study as well. I know you're fed up. I know you feel like you're going nowhere. And I know that it's just too much. But you're not the only one, Baba. This is for everyone. Yellowing hanga hota iddalaga. Mere nee na banipadu. Okay? Good. Now get up. Get up. Study. Like a hairstyle, but I love this one.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky.
Pep talk has clearly not worked for Aisri because now she is heading to the library for plan B, which is to do antifungals in the library because pep talk didn't work, you know. Okay, so now is my break time and don't ask me why I'm sitting like this. I'm just relaxing, okay? So basically I'm watching this documentary. Okay, I'm gonna sit up, I feel so weird. Okay, wait. Right, so where was I? I am watching this documentary on how the world is so dependent on antibiotics. It's very interesting. I'm still not done with the entire documentary. To this day, in the pharmaceutical industry, if you consider any section of drugs, right, whether it's chemotherapeutic drugs or whether it's drugs for cardiac failure, diuresis, whatever, the way they're working today, even after 50 years, their mechanism of action will be still efficient enough. You might develop better drugs, but the existing drugs of today will have the same use and will have the same amount of efficiency even in the future. But if you take antimicrobials or if you take antibiotics, this is one class of drugs wherein the line was amazing. The more you use it, the more you lose it. That's a really good line. That's a really good line. And I don't think it's the best thing to watch when you have your exam in just a week's time, but it's interesting. And I feel like it's important to know about that. Yeah, I just became all philosophical. From lying down position, I came up to sitting position. I have a feeling I'm gonna feel sleepy, but whatever. I have no idea what happened. No, actually I do. It's 4:45 and I was supposed to wake up at 2:15. I could have gone to postings. I have no idea what I just did. I couldn't. One, I didn't wake up only to get up. But like at 3:45 I got up, like without an alarm. I just got up and I'm like, what has just happened? And I come and nothing is going into my head. I could not interpret a single thing. I was like that for 10 minutes, you know. My eyes were like this and all watery and all. So I was like, in this state I won't be able to study. Let me just sleep for some more time. And the 4:15 became 4:40 and now it's 4:50. I took bath and came. It doesn't even look like I took bath. Oh bhai. We are not going to think about this. We're going to take it as a blessing. Imagine if I did not sleep for this long. I would have finished macrolides, I would have finished everything and I could have been chilling now. So that's a boon. I would not be, so that I don't chill now, I am going to be studying. Brother, let's just take a deep breath. Eat noodles, the best noodles, then go to the library and attack the rest of antimicrobials. Am I gonna sleep late? See, आज सुबह मैंने क्या बोला कि ऐसे आपको जगना नहीं है, पूरा दिन बिगड़ता है और पूरा रात भी बिगड़ जाता है. But let's see, we don't know what we're gonna do. Just go to the library and in 3 hours I need to see you finishing stuff. If you don't, then देख लेना क्या होगा. Okay, bye.
धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है, but we're going to AC, you know, so like doesn't really matter. फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. Okay, I'm gonna stop with this Hindi. It is irritating. It's giving me self-irritation. But yes, you know, if someone sees me recording, they're gonna think I'm such a weirdo. But aren't we a weirdo? Okay, bye. Yes, let's go. अब तो हो ही जाए. Okay, time है अभी. क्या है? 58. कोई आ ही नहीं रहे इसमें. और दे बस में तैयारी है. पर अभी हम जा रहे हैं. जाके पढ़ने वाले हो? हाँ. The 60 rupees ice cream is giving us free motivation. Okay, bye. 60 rupees motivation. Oh हाँ, but the 60 rupees motivation वो क्या हो गया? Synergistic effect हो गया. तो 60 rupees से 120 rupees का effect हो गया.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video and I swear I don't know how to end videos properly. Did I go as per the plan? Not at all. I just managed to finish 3 things in the entire day and I said I'll do the entire antimicrobials. But I told you, right, ki Aisri, she just keeps these unrealistic goals. I need to work on that as soon as possible. I don't know, I just managed to get through it all right, you know. Okay, so come back next week for more Time Out with Aisri and consider subscribing because I am in the middle of prelims, like literally, and I've just spent like hours editing this video. So yeah, whatever. Come back next week for more Time Out with Aisri. Bye.